Can you believe that cutting down large trees with a chainsaw is a dangerous and challenging task? Behind the strength is an indispensable caution to ensure the safety of every sawyer. Please watch the following video to see impressive wood sawing displays. The durable and termite-resistant properties of cedar have made it the preferred choice in the construction of long-lasting structures. Despite the difficult terrain and harsh weather, people still want to conquer this type of wood. Looking at his confidence and determination at work, it was only natural that this giant cedar tree would be knocked down. In his many years on the job, this is the most massive cedar tree he has ever worked with. Even though he was aided by a powerful chainsaw, it actually took him quite a while to defeat it. With advanced technology and integrated safety features, everything around is controlled and protected in the best way. Careful calculation and skillful use of the chainsaw were the keys to safely felling 2 large Dracaena trees on a high mountain. This process requires extreme concentration and specialized skills to ensure that the tree will fall in the desired direction, away from danger areas and protecting the surrounding environment. The power and performance of the Husqvarna 560 XP chainsaw allows you to cut down a large tree in just a few minutes, quickly completing the task and clearing a small forest. This is really a powerful tool for him in this logging job. He happily exclaimed this is the best working day he has ever had. Because he was able to calculate and cut down 2 large trees at the same time. He is truly a master of the logging industry with confidence, discipline, and extensive expertise. Seeing how he calmly took down a large tree really made everyone admire him. Cutting down an old mahogany tree over 70 years old with a style MS 651 right next to the main road is not only a difficult but also dangerous task. It was unfortunate that these giant trees fell after a big storm. With its huge spreading roots and still strong trunk, cutting off the roots and trunk to utilize for a variety of purposes is a wise way to reuse resources and minimize waste. We humans don't always win when we take down trees. As an amateur, he personally removed a rather large tree next to his house, and unfortunately it fell and damaged part of the house. But most of all, he is still safe. To avoid risks and ensure safety during the tree cutting process, combining a rope to pull the fallen tree in the desired direction is a necessary and important measure. Accuracy in planning and executing the rope tying process helps minimize the risk of accidents and protects the safety of workers and surrounding objects. Seeing the chainsaw operate with power of precision, I couldn't help but admire the talent and skills of those workmen. To have a little more warm sunlight spread on the backyard, he decided to boldly cut down a large tree with luxuriant foliage. Thanks to the chainsaw's efficiency and power, he can work efficiently and quickly, cutting down trees and clearing small forests with ease.